How to remap Copilot key to Ctrl key. On your PC, open the Microsoft Store app. If you don't have Microsoft PowerToys installed, search for PowerToys and install it. If you already have it, just open it. Open the app and look at the left-hand sidebar. Click Keyboard Manager. Make sure the Enable Keyboard Manager toggle is on. Click Remap a key. Click Add Key Remapping. For the Key column, choose any unused function key, for example, F23. In the Map to column, search for and select Right Ctrl. Click OK, then click Continue Anyway when prompted. Go back to the Keyboard Manager. Click Remap a shortcut. Click Add Shortcut Remapping. In the Shortcut column, click the pencil icon, then press the Copilot key on your keyboard. It should appear as something like Left Shift plus Left plus F23, depending on your keyboard. In the Map to column, select Right Ctrl. Click OK, then Continue Anyway. Thanks for watching.